Luke chapter 8 verse 17, for there is nothing hidden that will not be disclosed, and nothing concealed that will not be known or brought out into the open. So walang lihim na hindi po nabubunyag. Ecclesiastes 12:14, God will bring every deed into judgment, including every hidden thing, whether it is good or evil. Okay, so hindi lang po else is watching. God sees our hearts, our motives, and our actions. Okay? And nothing is hidden from Him, whether it's an act of integrity or sin that we try to cover. So remember po, God desires transparency, not shame. Okay, ito po yung kiniklear lang po natin. Gusto po ng Diyos ng transparency. This truth isn't just about exposing guilt. It's an invitation to live with integrity, walk in the light, and keep our hearts clean before God. He doesn't want to shame us, but to restore and purify us through honesty and repentance.